Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum, and the exterior color is a shadow black, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as a pair of LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps with 2 tow hooks. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our hand-cooked tires, and we also have our retractable running boards with our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handle caps. At the rear windows, we have the privacy tinted windows, and at the top, we have our dual-panel moonroof. This Platinum also comes with many other great features, including blind spot information system, command start, and many great things. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our 5th spare wheel, and we also have reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. We also have our LED taillights on this Platinum, and inside the tailgate we have a tailgate step, and in the box we have our LED lighting with our system link management with 4 tie-down points, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, there's tons of door storage, as well as memory seating for the driver, and power locks, power windows, and power adjustable and foldable mirrors. As we get into the interior, we have a nice black leather with the Platinum badging, and the driver and passenger can enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we get to the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial with our LED lighting under our mirrors, as well as our pull-on parking brake and our foot pedal adjustment switch. And at our fully telescopic steering wheel, we have our information cluster, which displays at the dash cluster for the driver, as well as our cruise control settings, and our hands-free to the right, and our entertainment and media controls. As we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights and our 3 garage door openers and the beautiful moonroof. And at our head unit, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, including a heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity and hands-free voice activation navigation and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the left, we have our 4-wheel drive engagement, and down below we have our integrated trailer braking system with our trailer backup assist. And over to the right, we have our 12-volt adapter and our AC outlet. And then down below, we have our dual climate control area, which includes a heated and air-conditioned seat for both driver and passenger. And underneath in our cubby hold, we have our dual smart charging USB ports. And as we look at our console shift, we have our manual mode, which has a 10-speed select shift option, as well as our dual cup holders with ambient lighting. And at our center console, there's 2 more cup holders in the rear, tons of comfort on top, and lots of storage underneath. At the rear, passengers have tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power windows, more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And in the back of the center console, we have our ventilation system to keep the air circulating, as well as a 12-volt adapter with 2 heated seats on the left and right side, as well as dual USBs and an AC outlet. And as we look at our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, there's tons of legroom with lots of headspace. And when there's no person in the middle, we can fold down our centerpiece for more arm support and 2 extra cup holders. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Platinum, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.